What's up, y'all? I'm at Dream Motor Cars right now. I've been buying cars here for like a long time. I got the Range Rover right there. I got the Aston Martin right there. I got my pickup truck right there. Because I was trying to sell it, but I'm probably going to end up keeping it. But anyway, this is my baby here right now. So...
Go back like DAs and ran PJs, now release a DAs, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride it won't cost you $1 with a store for harder. Of course you're still gonna holler, mama, I'm big. I rip up through your hooters, I'm sick. You couldn't miss your money for 6 shooters. Hold up, shoot out. I'm all about getting loot, but I'm not that bull. If you out to get cool, I don't wanna be playing no ball. I'm not playing, I just crush it out. Punisher, still got what you're looking for. Uptown, give it. I don't wanna be playing no more. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot.
Yeah. Talking about shit, I'm.
Who you would vote for this?
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit, I got smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go out, I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy. Don't think that she lied to you, nigga. He caught with your hoe when I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Stay out the go, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank. Take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage and chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type to let nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. And take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners can kill you. Say fucking with me, then he gotta grow up, cause this nigga gotta be killed. This shit can't fit in my pocket, I got it, like I hit the lottery, nigga. I slap the shit out of nigga, no talking, I don't like to argue with niggas. Ain't gonna be no more laughing, you see me whip out, cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga, no cap. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches, they following nigga. And that little nigga ain't gonna shoot shit with that gun, he just pull it out in his pictures. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Talking about shit, I'm a poppin'. Got like 32,000 in one of my pockets. The other one, that's where the Glock is. You little nigga wanna be in that game, so I tell all these little niggas stop it. Beating burn me a nigga in front of the store where your mammy and grandmama shopping. I've got on a whole nother wave on these niggas. Let's see one of these little niggas top it. I'll turn a nigga into a convertible. Push me a little nigga top back. Her boyfriend be hating and calling the groupie just cause she like all my music. She send me a text and delete the message. She tryna find out it's confused. I don't know what these niggas thinking about. Use the brain on your head for you lose. I pull up after school and I teach you some shit. Tell you bro, I'm a motherfucker too. Remember I used to cheat off a pretty bitch test. All the teachers, they thought I was stupid. Was expecting the box to pull up on the truck. Man, this nigga pulled up on the scooter. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne.
Is this the top?
I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight indo. Cali weed blowing like a Rastaman. Good seed straight from Afghanistan. Shooting up the club like an AK. Smoke a beer strong, very damn blowing. KK blowing.
Packing the mail is gone. Hello?
Hi, this is Ronnie calling from ADT Account Services on a recorded line. May I speak with Christy Limpus?
No, this is Aaron Carter. Are you calling about my house?
Yes, calling about the services.
Yeah, she's not on. It's. I've asked you guys 5 times to change the name back to my name, and you haven't.
And what do you say your name is Aaron?
I'm the one on the deed. Aaron Carter. Yeah. How are you today? Are you good? Are you
Ready?
good? Are you good?
Yes, I'm good. I'm not saying your name on the account. I am very sorry about that. Can you verify the address?
42236. And then I can't finish right now because I'm in public. So.
Okay. It's the Blue Flags Avenue. The account for the 20169.
Right. You guys gotta
Am I
change.
able to take care of that payment?
You guys gotta change my name in the account. I can't open up a letter that's being mailed to my real estate agent because she set up my account with you guys. So
Okay. So I could send you something to have her name removed, her name.
all right. So if you can do that, all right. Just do that via mail, and I'll take care of it from there. Okay.
You will have to verify that password on the account. And it's Aaron, correct?
Yes. Aaron.
Carter.
Yeah.
Alrighty. And did you want that sent to that 42236 address? Well, that's
Yeah. That's to my address. That's my house. Yes. And I'll take care of it from there.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much for your help.
No
I
problem.
really
I'll
appreciate it,
send
sweet.
it out to you.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. Have a good one. Bye. I'm starving for attention. Mr. LJ Brown, sounds like you're starving for attention. Because you're on my account. I'm not on yours. I don't know who the fuck you are. You don't know me. Come say that shit to my face. I dare you. I dare you. And then I'll let you hit me for free. We sign a contract that says if we fight, we can't sue each other. And then you get to hit me one time for free first, all right? And then it's my turn. What you want to do? Talk to me. What, because you don't understand who I am? You don't know that I'm 32 years old? I love my past. My past is why I have all the fans and why I just sold, millions of records on my last project that I produced and wrote. Came back, dropping a new single, working my ass off, managing my career, handling my finances, handling my own taxes, being my own, bookkeeper. What are you doing, bro? Bye. Get the fuck up out of here with your bullshit. Starving for attention. Right. Because I starved for attention. Because when I had to file bankruptcy publicly because my mom and dad forgot to pay taxes when I was 13 and 14, I was starving for attention. When that happened, right? You got jokes. Like a date, like infamy.
White House higher than Willie Nelson. Old dabs, the wax and melt. These clouds are smoking help.
By the way, I just cleared my nose. I'm not tripping on any sort of drugs before anyone said anything that's stupid. I cleared my nose because I live in the high desert and I'm going to LA right now to go pick up my car. So don't even start. So I'm gonna beat you to the punch. Don't even try. Just vibe. If you don't like my vibes, get the fuck up out of here. Bye, Felicia.
I need it all the time. Don't know it, that's the same. It's always on my mind. That's why every day I'm blowing, keep it blowing, blowing.
rocking that Balenciaga today. Let's do a little fashion. Alright. I'm rocking the chokers. Alright, just picked these up yesterday. Balenciaga, the chokers. This one was 30 and the other one was 20. So 50 grand right here on the neck. Bang. Bam. And hell yeah, I'm gonna floss. I'm gonna floss all my teeth and I'm gonna spit all my fucking shit that I floss out of my mouth on all them haters. All that nasty, smelly shit, you know, that you floss out of your teeth. Fuck yeah. Well, I'm gonna floss and I'm gonna go like this. Spit it in the hater's face. And then forgive them when they apologize. I'm a mastermind. Yo. Got no time for the conversations or funny shit. Nigga, only the reals who I get my money with. Used to turn on the TV, seeing what I wanted. Now the same one I dreamed about, the same one I'm stunting in a 6'2", almost 36. And every nigga that I'm with got a zip. I look at this shit like one big table and best believe every nigga I'm with gotta sit. They try to hold us back, paint a picture of us and sell it straight to the public. You young black, then you thuggin'. Well, they don't talk about the kid that came from nothing, who stuck to what he believed in and turned himself into something great. They should use my story to motivate, but instead they'd rather focus on the fact that he's a fucker, not the fact there's not a lot where I live, 21 and not dead.
So much champagne up in the club. I ain't come up here and I ain't looking for love. I'ma leave all my problems out.
Aaron was a Moses brother. Aaron was a Moses brother. I knew that. That's why that's what my mom named me after. The Bible.
So would you take me home?
So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Fall in Moses and Moses' footsteps in the Bible.
I'ma leave all my problems out on the floor.
Know where I'm going. Make sure my team keep balling and the hoes keep calling and the money keep falling on the floor. Where you trying to go? Only care about what's in your train. Say you trying to go hard, you don't think about tomorrow. You don't care about what people think. You don't care about waiting outside. You be with everybody up in the front. You yelling face down, ass up in the club. And now we all turning up. Let's party. I'm in the club, rolling weed like a Marley. Smoking Gilly departed. That's still too real. Come to me, get it started. In our bottles, we popping like it's 4th of July. We just blowing them shots back, shooting courts in the sky. Pouring some for the girls and pouring more for my guys. Cause we really my niggas. I just wanna thank my niggas. Yeah, them niggas talking shit, but they ain't my niggas. Now we rolling up. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Getting drunk. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Pushing the party. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Getting this money. Staying out all night. Staying out all night. Staying out all night.
I had so much champagne up in the club. I ain't come up here and I ain't looking for love. I'ma leave all my problems out on the floor. I'ma drink so much that I can't make it home. So would you take me home? Yeah.
Told her that I need some more. She did it with sleeves. Click full of G's. And they go 8. Don't swing through the trees. Try it.
Alright, so one of my favorite singers someone I studied growing up. So if you want any advice of who to study, his name is Joe. The album is called All That I Am. Alright, I own this album. Yeah.
Tell me what kind of man treat a woman so cold. Treat you like you're nothing when you're worth more than gold. Girl, me like a diamond, I love the way you shine. $100 million treasure, I give the world to make you mine. I'll put a string of pearls right in your hand. Make love on a beach of jet black sand. Outside in the rain, we can do it all night. I'll touch all the places he would not, and some you never knew would get you hot. Nothing is pretend when we touch.
My voice is still just getting warmed up today, but I can kill this shit. Slay. I know exactly all the riffs. I'll play that another one. It's pretty relevant to my life. I don't need to be a player anymore. I'm looking for a wifey. Y'all already know that song. It's one of my favorites. Love you guys.